what we have on hand. We are not done with rain. We have more rain coming up tomorrow, which could in turn bring about some more flooding issues. And then we've got a couple of days for some sunshine before some more rain and even thunderstorms this next time starts to come back into Middle Tennessee. So let's have a look at what's happening across the mid-state as you make those plans. We are definitely going to see a first alert weather day in effect for tomorrow with more rain coming in across Middle Tennessee. We want you to be ready. I've got the timeline for you, and that is just a couple of minutes away. But looking right now, that rain ending with more rain coming in tomorrow as early as the morning. We've got a flooding threat again for poor drainage areas, especially. We'll have to watch our creeks and rivers, especially by the time we get to Saturday, as more rain comes in, and we do have the potential for some thunderstorms developing as well. This is what it looks like right now on our first alert live radar. That rain pretty heavy around Fayetteville, continuing to move on towards the east right now. Just a few lighter showers left around Smyrna, over to Murfreesboro, Cookeville seeing a few light raindrops, and we've got some back towards Jackson as well, but all moving out of the way. Flood watch remains in effect through 6 a.m. on Wednesday. Could see that extended as we are looking at more rain coming in. This is what it looks like on our satellite and radar image as we have got all this shifting eastward. And look at that, well over to the east, there's a little bit of winter mix as well. We will get a break from the rain through the night tonight, and then more rain will be a part of our forecast coming up for tomorrow. There's that soupy look outside with our latest temperature at 44 degrees, northwest wind at 7 miles per hour. Futurecast has done an excellent job of timing out this rain. You can see it's lined up with exactly where it is now, so that gives us more faith in what it's showing moving forward. It moves right on over to East Tennessee. And then we get that dry time until we get to morning, and then we'll start to see more rain coming in. Could be a little earlier than what we're seeing here, and that will be continuing all the way through the afternoon. I don't think quite as widespread as it was today. It's not going to be as cold either, 55 degrees for the afternoon high. Then we start to see this taper off on Wednesday night, and by the time we get to Thursday, clouds and a chilly 35 degrees starts us off. Some of you will be in the 20s. A chilly afternoon on Thursday at 42 degrees before we get to some slightly warmer air coming in on Friday, Valentine's Day. Here's the way it looks rainfall wise. We've got a ½ inch to another 1.5 inches coming into play as we go into Friday. Dry Thursday, dry Friday, and the next round of rain comes in Saturday. Look at these whopping totals here. Estimating some 6 to 7 inches of rain. We'll have to see how that pans out. We could bring that down over the next couple of days, I hope. But right now, that looks like additional flooding is definitely on tap for us. Let's scoot on ahead to Saturday. This is the wee early morning hours, and we'll start to see some of that rainfall moving in from west to east, sliding across Middle Tennessee. That's Saturday for you. And we are looking at a few thunderstorms into Saturday evening, and that moves on towards the east as well. A little bit of snow is likely to form in the colder air back behind this system, so don't be surprised by that. Actually, a better chance of snow comes the following week. But this evening, it looks like temperatures in the low 40s. We'll have a few showers at 7 a.m. in the morning, and that will be the on and off rain that we experience throughout the day. 55 degrees, the afternoon high coming up for you. Our first alert 7-day forecast. We've got first alert weather days Wednesday, Saturday. 55 the high on Wednesday, tomorrow. 42 on Thursday with sunshine back, and look how cold on Valentine's morning, 22 degrees, 55 in the afternoon. Showers and storms on Saturday, a high near 60. And we've got flurries early on Sunday as that storm exits. And then we will look for another chilly start Monday and Tuesday, and it's going to be cold afternoons, but at least we're looking at some sunshine making a return. And that is a look at your 7-day forecast. Thank you so much for joining me and getting a look at what we're anticipating for the next several days and into the weekend, the all-important weekend. Thank you so much if you are on my Facebook page or on my YouTube channel enjoying our simulcast. And of course, thank you too if you're watching right here on WSMV4 on our streaming service. We'll have another update tonight on the news, WSMV4 News at 10 o'clock, which we will stream that as well. Have a great night. I invite you to join me on social media. And there's my handle, Lisa Spencer, WSMV. Have a great night.